now we're going to put a seam and denim, and we all know when you get to the thick seam part over here, it's normally difficult to get over it, because remember, a sewing machine can sew downhill, but it cannot sew uphill. So what I've done is I've put it on a straight stitch, and our stitch length on 3, because we're working with thick fabric, we need a longer stitch length, and we start sewing. And as we see, we get to our thick part, our machine is now struggling a bit. We use what we call a hump jump or a height compensator, where we now pick up the foot with a needle in the fabric, slide this behind the foot. It lifts the foot up even to our thickness of our denim, and we can easily go over it. Next one, just the second one to show you, slide it in behind the foot, put the foot down, and it's so easy to now sew over your thick denim parts. There we go.